This training video will introduce you to and demonstrate the new NHVR Portal Special Purpose Vehicle or SPV Lockdown functionality. This training video will provide an overview on the new NHVR Portal SPV Lockdown functionality and provide a demonstration on how it can be utilised to streamline the application process. At the conclusion of this video, I will also outline the additional support that is available to you in regards to the new functionality. New NHVR Portal SPV Lockdown functionality overview. What is SPV Lockdown? The SPV Lockdown functionality in the NHVR Portal will allow customers to enter their registration details, which will automatically populate their axle mass and spacings during the application process. This functionality is currently only available for Queensland SPV registrations, as the axle mass and spacing details are pulling from the provided Department of Transport and Main Roads Authority to Operate or ATO data. This functionality will assist industry when completing the application process in the NHVR portal and ensure the accurate details are being provided. This will therefore contribute to making the overall process more efficient and streamlined. I will now demonstrate the new NHVR Portal SPV Lockdown functionality in the system. So I've just logged in here to the NHVR Portal customer module. You are able to utilise the SPV Lockdown functionality in two sections of the portal. So just looking at the left side menu now, you can utilise it under the vehicle configuration section where you would go to build out your entire fleet and then leverage that information for shortcutting the application process. Or you can utilise it for the application tracker if you're just submitting blank brand new applications. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I will be showing it from the application tracker and selecting on the new application button. I'm just going to give my application here a reference or a nickname and select OK to enter the 6-step application. Okay. So when completing step 1, I will still be required to select configuration. So the big green button here on the top right, select configuration. I must ensure that I am selecting the correct configuration that matches the ATO data. So for a 4-axle all-terrain crane, for the purpose of my demonstration, I must be selecting the Special Purpose Vehicle or SPV heading and selecting on the SPV all-terrain crane option, which is the first one here. As the customer, I will still be required to complete this page of information, so completing the mandatory length, width, height, the total mass, and the forward projection and the rear overhang. However, now when I move on to the little second tab, the little picture of the crane here next to the overall tab, all I will need to do in order to populate all of this axle mass and spacings information here is complete the registrations at the top. So this section here. All I need to do in order for it to pre-populate all of this information is complete the registration number or the rego plate and the state that it is registered in. So I've got an example here, so just typing in the registration plate and the state that it is registered in, and you can see there it's already pulled through the VIN, the GVM, and I've got a little status here that says locked axle details. If I scroll up just slightly, I can see that my diagram has also changed to match exactly the number of axles, so shortcutting that process as well. And scrolling down, I can see it has now pre-populated and pulled all of that information from my TMR ATO details. So it's that easy. All you need to do, once again, is just put in that registration or plate number, the state that it is registered in, and give it a few seconds to think and load, and you'll see there that it comes through all pre-populated information. Therefore, now you can continue with the remaining of the application process. As I said, you can perform that exact functionality whether it's in the application tracker or also from the vehicle configurations when building out your fleet. The additional support for the NHGR portal SPV lockdown functionality. If you have any questions about the new NHGR portal SPV lockdown functionality or anything to do with this video, please don't hesitate to contact us. The first point that you see there is the NHGR call centre and hypercare team. So they're available to give over the phone technical support to do with the NHGR portal. Their number is 1300 696 487. You also have my direct contact details, so Athena Ferraro, my direct contact line and my email address. And you also have my Senior Project Officer, Edith Ferraro, her direct contact number and her email address. For information on the Return of Delegations project, the complete package of NHGR Portal Customer Essentials training videos, or for details on any upcoming online or face-to-face training, please refer to the NHGR Delegations project webpage at the displayed link. Thank you very much for watching this training video, and I hope that the SPV lockdown functionality really assists you in making for a quick application process. Thank you.